Move, nerd!
How original. Call me a nerd. What next? 4 eyes? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me.
All right, you have fun.
What's this? Class president.
Class president, dummy. It says class president.
I don't know.
That's you?
I'm the most suitable candidate I know.
Yeah, so's your mom.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Yeah, dude.
Don't forget to wipe.
How's the campaign, Ernest?
no. You'll vote for me, won't you?
Yeah, not a chance.
What if I pay you?
Pay me? Now you're talking.
I always knew I was a born leader.
Yeah, but unless you buy everyone's vote, you're never gonna win. Because they are definitely gonna ruin your speech at the debate.
Oh, unless I had a security manager. Oh, please, please,
I don't know.
please,
Security
please,
managers, they cost a
please.
lot of money.
Oh, I have money. I can pay you.
Good. I've always been a politician at heart.
Welcome.
Run when Kirby looks at you!
I won't
Careful,
mince words,
Grim.
my friends. This school needs help.
What's up, maggot?
My help. How many of you
I'm
out
thinking
there
of making
feel
pound cake!
abused by society? Let down by the establishment?
Dumbass!
Brutalized? I feel
What are you
your
looking at,
pain, my children. Do not despair. Salvation is here, my friends.
Do you like this, you prick?
By choosing me as your leader, we will usher in an... Ouch! That's just not right!
Sit and spin!
Use of prefects, gone.
I've got your pound cake right here!
Lackluster teaching, gone. Physical education,
Don't give up,
gone.
Teacher's pet!
Bullworth will be the model for a pure academic curriculum.
Sit on this, you prick!
Ow! Why is this happening? Excellent job, Ernest!
I'm gonna
Money
make you
no
swallow
longer
this.
wasted on silly musicals or
Give him
crap.
a chance! I heard you like art class. on this!
My opponent would have you believe
You couldn't beat a fly!
that
Ernest, you're a
sports
dork.
are more meaningful for your future
I've got a new recipe for pound cake! You want me to whip you, huh?
than decent textbooks and competent teachers. What
What you looking
have
at, huh?
sports done for you except
Could I care any less?
cause
You want me to
pain
beat on you?
and misery? While my opponent may
Don't mess
also
with
be
me.
more popular,
Why do you even try?
good-looking and
Careful,
muscular, and have the
you
attention
suck.
of the school bimbos,
Dumbass!
just doesn't have what it takes to be president.
See?
There are some who claim I
Told
don't
you,
represent
you
the
little
masses.
thing.
Let
Sit
me
on
tell
this, you
you,
prick!
I've been beat up just as much
Why
as
do
you.
you even try?
It's time for change for the better.
You couldn't beat a fly!
Hey, stop it!
You suck!
In closing, remember, a vote for E means a vote for me. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. I was just lying here wishing I could be more like you.
Yeah, whatever.
But I'm cursed.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, cursed by brains. Do you know what torture it is to be thinking all the time? No, of course you don't.
Yeah, you're cursed. You're great. Whatever. What else is going on?
Not much. Let me see. It's Halloween. All the prefects are at some party and the teachers are entertaining, I use that word loosely, the kids. No, I'd say the opportunities for fun are pretty much nil.
What do you have in mind?
Come on, you'll see.
Can you help me, sir?
Well, okay.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna be rich
Thank
one.
you.
Why does Father always have to be so unreasonable? It's not like it was worth anything.
Jimmy, buddy, I need your
Let's
help.
do this. Cool, thanks.
Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Please!
Don't push me.
Would you help me, Jimmy?
Sure thing.
It's important.
Anyways,
Greetings! It's been fun, but...
the speed of light times the speed of a flying spaceship? Who has time for real jobs? I used to spend 11 Could you
I'll
help
do
me,
it.
Jimmy? Please?
This is so much work.
I really need
Yeah, all
you to
right,
help
let's
me,
do it.
man. Thanks a lot.
Adolescence is like being tortured for 5 years.
Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna feed Chad's dog some of this rancid meat. Wait for him to take a dump, and then...
What the hell? I'm out of here.
Whatever, Pete. Okay, let's do this, Jim. I'll explain the rest later. Hey, what are you doing to Chester?
Give up now. My circus is...
Here you go, boy. How about a little trick for a treat? Yum, 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 yum.
That's gross.
Score! Don't worry, it'll be funny. Okay, get ready!
What the devil is going on out here? Oh, God damn kids!
Nice one, Jimmy. There you are. Come on, I found something incredible.
Hold on, relax, man. I can't keep getting in trouble. I can't get expelled again.
It's always about me with you. Me, me, me. I'm thinking bigger picture, and you're worrying about getting into trouble? You know what? You really are something.
What bigger picture?
We are gonna take over this school.
We are not taking over anything right now.
Time and tide wait for no man, my friend. But it seems they do wait for a wannabe tough guy who's nothing but a little girl.
You're full of it.
So you keep telling me, look, now come on, I promise you, after this, things are never gonna be the same again. Oh, I'm so excited. I should have stopped taking those pills ages ago.
Yeah, right. Whatever you say, Gary.
I keep a
Hey, idiots! Jimmy's gonna kick your...
to be hurt. Come here, we're gonna stop. We hit hard out here, chump. Come on, get this. Get closer.
You're gonna hate me forever.
You ain't none.
If that's all you got, then it's gonna be a breeze.
We make a great team.
You asking me on a...
Not here, follow me. There. How can we get at the switch? Not here, follow me. Looks like I'll hold this down to get the power while you climb through and get the switch. Almost there. I've never seen one. before it heats up again. It's right down there. So, Jimmy boy, here we are, the hole. The place where this school separates the men from the boys, the wheat from the chaff, and all that nonsense.
Okay, so what's that got to do with standing up to people, keeping them in line?
This is where I stand up to you, my friend.
What are you talking about?
I know you hate me, Jimmy boy. I know you said all that stuff about me behind my back.
What are you talking about?
Don't play innocent with me. You want to run this school? I want to run this school. Only one of us is gonna make it. And it's gonna be me! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and morons, I give you Russell!
Oh, man.
Me, Russell.
Gary, now I hate you.
I know, Russell. Go beat that little jerk who said that nasty stuff to me about your mom and those barnyard animals.
What? Come here. Russell wants vengeance. You is dead. Now you gonna hurt! Kick him in the gut! Russell! I'm gonna tear you apart! Smash you! I smash you! You is dead!
You happy now, jerk?
Ecstatic! I love to watch two morons beat the crap out of each other.
Why'd you do it, Gary? I thought we were friends.
Friends? You and me. I've taken dumps that had more brains than you, friend. No, I'm taking over this school, and you're just a liability. See you around, moron!
Well done, Jimmy. Yeah, great. What a waste of time. You all right, Russell?
Yeah?
Look, I never said anything about your mom or farmyard animals.
You didn't?
No, but I want you to stop bullying weak kids.
Why?
Because there are a bunch of kids around this place who need a beating, and you're picking on the few who don't. So I want you to leave me and him alone.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Bad Russell.
With Russell pacified, I could be forgiven for thinking my troubles at Bullworth were over. But this place is a rotten onion. Peel off one stinking layer, and there's another even smellier one beneath.
Well, Jimmy, word on the street is you're something of a pugilist.
No, sir, I never pugilized in my life.
Really? And that you've been saying some entertaining things about me and some barnyard animals.
No, I never said that.
Well, I listen to things, Hopkins. You try and stay out of trouble. Now go see the cook down in the kitchen. Helping her might teach you some humility.
Okay, sir.
Hey, new kid. You're that guy that beat up Russell.
So, what's it to you?
Hey, listen, we like to box, the noble art and all that. Why don't you come down by our gym in old Bullworth Vale? We should definitely hang out. Yeah, I've heard a lot of things about you.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
School rules are quite clear on this subject. Quite clear. No alcohol on school grounds. You're drunk. I can smell it on your breath. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm not drunk.
Drunk? In charge of children? What kind of monster drinks in front of children?
Parent?
A disgraceful one, yes. You've got a problem, haven't you?
I'm just under a lot of pressure.
Well, I'm a kind and supportive colleague, Galloway. And as such, I think it is my duty to get you sacked.
Do whatever you want, Hattrick. You always do.
The head will find out about this.
You okay, sir?
Jimmy. No, I'm not okay. I'm half drunk and I'm about to get fired. Fantastic. Oh, I'm a washed up old drunk and I'm only 34. English, you see, is a difficult subject to teach. I've tried any number of things to dull the pain. Yoga, meditation, needlepoint, looking at dubious sites on the internet. But nothing dulls the pain like scotch.
Come on, sir, put that away.
Are you mad? This is manna from the gods!
Give me that. Let's get rid of this before you get busted.
That's very kind of you, Jimmy. Miss Phillips is the only teacher to know about my vice. Take it to her. She will know what to do.
It looks like Hattrick and Galloway are at it again. The only difference between me and McCrae is what's in our hot dog.
Why is this stuff lying around everywhere?
Hopkins! You're so not getting away with it.
Here they are. I think that's all of them.
Thanks, Jimmy.
You're welcome, Ms.
Please take this.
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean 10 bucks.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
Plus speedy boots or whatever. Stop that! Hey, that's cheating!
Finished.
This looks useful.
There's no such thing as...
Oh no, I can't stand violence!
Me.
Are you hurting yet?
Stay down! This might come in handy.
All right, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
All right, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, then you kick him in the nuts until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the sheep. If not, we keep it.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right there.
Okay, you win.
Better.
You recovered my precious documents. Thank you, sir. You are a noble man indeed.
Just give me the money, Melvin.
You have earned it. And don't forget about the wenches.
Holy moly!
Nice.
Ah, shut up, kid. It adds flavor to it. You want to give it a go?
Sure.
Try and get some bits in it.
I've got performance anxiety.
Get used to it, kid. You're a man. It's all downhill from here, my friend. Anyway, what do you want?
Nothing. The head sent me.
He did? Oh, yeah! I need you to go to town and pick up some meat and other things for me. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to put one of Ms. Phillips' cats in the casserole again.
Okay.
Let me see. I need some meat from Yum Yum Market. Oh, and a razor from the barber's for my stash. And, oh yeah, some new knickers from Worn In. I've had these on since last term. Hurry up! Go, take my bike. It's that fine machine out there by the school gates.
All right.
Boy, so confusing. I haven't told on anyone.
Welcome. Please buy some.
Might find a use for that.
You are lucky, my friend.
That's for
no
me.
waited today.
Learn how to.
Welcome to Yum Yum.
Ah, yes.
You better use that meat soon. The clerk said it expires at midnight.
Nonsense! There are no fuzzy eaters at Bullworth. It'll last for a month.
Hey, Jimmy Hopkins.
Do I know you?
No, I'm Pinky, but I know all about you. Everybody's talking about you. Everybody says that you're mean and angry and you like fighting.
Huh.
Gary said you're so mad because you're sexually confused.
Yeah, well, Gary talks a lot of crap.
Oh, I know. I don't like him. He likes to torture people.
So what? He's not gonna torture me.
Well, I'm glad you're not sexually confused.
Really?
Yeah, I like you, Jimmy Hopkins.
Oh, yeah?
But I need you to do something for me.
What a surprise.
I'm last in line, and this movie means everything to me. I'm gonna get terrible seats. Can you please get rid of all these people for me? Please, Jimmy?
What's in it for me?
I'm a princess!
Oh.
And I need people to do things for me. So hurry up, because I want to be first!
Oh, man. All right.
My daddy's gonna sue you.
That sucked.
I'll put you in your place.
Hopkins, you don't belong here. Get out.
I outclass. Get down.
Fire all
see why something like this should happen.
Where am I going right now? I hope you think this is okay. Thanks a bunch, Jimmy! You don't belong here! Get out!
Total, utter gross out.
Oh, no! How gross!
I just want to play sports, that's all!
That's great, Jimmy! If only you'd been born into my social circle.
Well, I do have a few uses, you know.
Oh, really? Well, you know, nice girls like nice flowers. Anyway, here's some money. It's the least I could do. And it's Daddy's anyways. The show's about to start, but come see me sometime. We can work through these class issues we have.
Oh, I'll work through your class issues all right, sweetie.
So, this is how you treat a girl? Well, not me.
What are you talking about?
We had a date, and you are 3 minutes late.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we really didn't. But look, I remembered how much you like flowers.
Oh, damn. That wasn't you. That was Darby. Well, he's late. I cannot believe he's done this to me. Oh, and those are so beautiful. 3 minutes. What does he think I am, a tramp? Ugh. I hope something important happened. Like he's dead. Because otherwise, there's no excuse.
Did you say you're waiting for Darby?
Yes. I don't really like him, but he's my cousin and our family wants us to get married. You know, keep up the tradition.
Wait, marry your cousin?
You know, it used to be brother and sister until it was made illegal. My aunt has 4 thumbs.
Really?
Yeah, well, I'm not marrying him now. He's humiliated me.
So, what do you say you and I go out and leave Darby to another cousin?
Great. You know, I'll meet you at the carnival tonight. Jimmy, I'm really starting to like you.
Where is that crazy chick?
Hey, Jimmy! Glad to see you're on time, unlike some of my other dates. What are we waiting for? Let's go have some fun.
Hey, wait up!
Right.
You must have had a good horoscope today. We have a winner. Now, any of you folks watching willing to try and top him?
Let's go pick up the bear now.
Hi there. It's a nice little thing, ain't it?
Oh, cool! Thanks, Jimmy. It's so cute. Thanks for a great date, Jimmy.